सर्वावतार धर्तारं भुक्ति मुक्ति प्रदायकं वंदेहम श्रेष्ठ देवम तम हरिकृष्णम मनोहरम। आप सर्वेने मारा जय स्वामीनारायण। हे वाला भक्तो, हिंदू शास्त्रोनी आधारे બાળકનું નાનપણમાં તેનું મુંડન કરવામાં આવે છે, તેવી જ રીતે આપણા પરમ કૃપાળુ આપણા ઈષ્ટદેવ એવા ભગવાન શ્રી સ્વામિનારાયણ જ્યારે નાના હતા ત્યારે તેમનું પણ મુંડન કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું. But after cutting their heads, he was dressed in a he was finally in a fine way. He was dressed in a silver color. He was dressed. After that, when his heads were cut, at that time they had the occasion at their house. So many guests have come. Many Brahmins were arrived at their home. So Bhakti Mata, the mother Bhakti Mata, was busy in entertaining the guests. Father Dharmadev was engaged in giving alms to the Brahmin. So nobody knew when all the children came outside for playing. When they went for playing, at their nearby mango garden was there. So they went there. Many mango trees were there, and on that mango trees some mangoes were ripe and some were unripe. Several mangoes were fallen on the ground. Many children started collecting them and many started eating. While Ghanshyam Maharaj was sitting at the big dance of mango tree and watching to all these children. Having a view to kill Ghanshyam Maharaj, the Kalidat, he made a secret plot to kill Ghanshyam Maharaj. From many times he was creating secret plots for killing him, but today when no elder person was there with Ghanshyam Maharaj, so he got the best opportunity to kill him. So when he thought that now it's the best time that I will get the success from all these plans, he came in the form of a small little playing child and started playing with that children. As he stretched his hands towards Ghanshyam Maharaj to catch him, he felt a violent shock like a current. So he became anger. So he created the atmosphere such a bad that the cyclone arrived. The huge tree of mango that fell down. So he thought that the enemy child should die. Means he thought that the enemy child must have been died by felling this tree. But to his astonishment, our Ghanshyam Maharaj was safe. When he was peeping inside the tree by removing the branches of the tree, he saw that Ghanshyam Maharaj was safe. He was sitting. when Ghanshyam Maharaj stood up, and as Ghanshyam Maharaj was safe by seeing that scene, the Kalidat began too much angry. So he raced towards him to catch him. But as he was coming towards Ghanshyam Maharaj, Ghanshyam Maharaj saw Ghanshyam Maharaj kept a sharp eyes on him, and he was tossing like a volleyball in the sky. In short time of period, his soul left his body. So all the hidden children, the children who all became hide due to this Kalidat, they all came outside. They all came outside and they were searching to Ghanshyam. Ghanshyam Maharaj was safe. He was sitting downside, or he was sitting under the tree only. But he did not came out. So all the children were afraid that where is Ghanshyam? Where is Ghanshyam? They all were shouting that Ghanshyam, please come outside, where are you? But Ghanshyam Maharaj was safe and he was sitting in the tree. All the children became nervous. When this news goes to Bhakti Mata, Bhakti Mata starts crying that where is my beloved son? In which situation he would be? When this news comes to Dharmadev, Sundari Mami, to Ram Pratap Bhai, they all come where these children tells them that we were playing here. They all comes with weapons and lights. They comes there and starts searching to Ghanshyam. Everybody is crying that where is Ghanshyam? Where is Ghanshyam? But Ghanshyam, when Sundari Mami lifts the huge branch of that fallen tree and saws Ghanshyam Maharaj, as soon as she saws to Ghanshyam, she picks him up and gives to Bhakti Mata, because Bhakti Mata becomes too much sad કે ભક્તિ માતા બહુ દુખી થઈ જાય છે. એટલે સૌથી પહેલા તે ભક્તિ માતાને સોંપી દે છે કે તમારા ઘનશ્યામ એકદમ સેફ છે, એકદમ સુરક્ષિત છે. When Bhakti Mata sees to Ghanshyam, she becomes too much happy. કે ભક્તિ માતા બહુ ખુશ થઈ જાય છે, તેમના ખુશીનો પાર રહેતો નથી. એટલે રાજી થઈને ભક્તિ માતા સોનાની ચેન સુંદરી મામીને આપી દે છે ગિફ્ટમાં. When Sundari Mami, she gives Ghanshyam Maharaj to Bhakti Mata, she becomes too much happy. And as she becomes happy, she gives a golden chain to Sundari Mami as a gift. I say to all the devotees that as we all watch the movies, at that time we have the too much eagerness that now what will happen. Same way, while we all are listening these kathas and every program related to God, we all should also have the eagerness that now what will happen. Is my Ghanshyam Maharaj safe or unsafe? Such kind of feeling should come. when this kind of feelings will come, we all should understand that this path or this way is only the way of salvation. કે જ્યારે આપણે મૂવી જોવા બેસીએ ત્યારે આપણને અંદરથી બહુ એ હોય છે, બહુ ઉતાવળ હોય છે કે હવે શું થશે. તેવી જ રીતે જ્યારે આપણે આવી કથાઓ સાંભળીએ કે જ્યારે આપણે ભગવાનના રિલેટેડ આવું કાંઈ પણ પિક્ચર જોઈએ ભગવાનનું, ત્યારે આપણને પણ આવું અંદરથી આવું ઉતાવળ હોવી જોઈએ કે મારા ભગવાનને કશું થશે કે નહીં થાય. જો આવી ઉતાવળ આપણને હશે, ભગવાન પ્રત્યે આવી ભાવના હશે, તો તે જ વસ્તુ આપણા માટે મોક્ષ કરતલ છે. આપ સૌને મારા જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.